Hey folks, is it snowing at your house? Boy, it's snowing here in southern Missouri. We got about 7 or 8 inches of snow today, on top of about an inch of ice a day or so before that. 25 degrees below zero wind chill. Some of our water lines are frozen. You know how it goes. Even through all that though, I found the time to shovel the walk and the porch and a place for my wife to get in her car. That's what a real man does, right guys? Get out there and shovel your walk off for your wives, you guys. You boys get up and take care of your mamas. Keep everybody safe. Y'all have a great day.